Okay, so Brianna's car is, giving me even more trouble. This was a real winner. Doing the rear hub bearing over here, and well, it didn't exactly come out the way I would have liked it. So what you're seeing here is the rear wheel assembly without the hub in it. This is where the hub would go. And in order for me to get that hub out, we tried to use heat. We tried to use some tools that we have here. We even tried this puller, and that didn't work. So I had to end up taking the entire spindle off. And if you come on the other side here, I took the spindle off this side. Okay, it might be a little dark. You might not be able to see it, but there you go. You can see that entire spindle is gone.
No, the valve was off, right?
Yeah. So now we're gonna go over to this side over here, and there's your spindle that I just removed. Okay, so in order to get this hub out right here, here's the other one on the other side. I'm gonna have to go ahead and take that to the press. And you can see what was holding me up, all of this corrosion right here. And the reason is because the hub, this is metal, this is iron, and the spindle is aluminum. So the difference between these two metals here, this metal, we say it's metal, but it's iron, and this is aluminum. So the iron and the aluminum don't really mix well, and it creates this corrosion right here. And it was impossible to get out without the press. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this on to the press. We're going to press this out from here, press it out. Make sure we don't damage the sensor. There's the ABS sensor right there. I have to keep that intact. All right, and there's the entire spindle, just so you can see how it goes. All right, and there's the two spindles. And this one, of course, is going to go on this side and go back on here when everything is done. So that's how I have to do the rear bearings. What a disaster. This is the same car I had to take this entire front fascia off in order to change the headlights. And then the next job we have are these control arms. And that's one, the other one's underneath it. And they go down over here. There it is. So let's get this done first, and then we'll go to the control arms, which I'm hoping is not going to be as difficult. So I'm going to go ahead and take this to the press, and I'll show you how that works.